It's just a little too teeny of a curl. I don't know where you would put that. Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Jeffy Unboxing. Today we are unboxing the March Boxycharm. If you're new here, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing. So for this month's box, they had a certain period of time open where you could go in and pick one of the items that would come in your box. During that time period, I went ahead and selected this beautiful little curling iron. The retail value of this item is $50. And our box was actually missing the slip this month saying how much everything was worth, but I looked it up so we would have a general idea. Anyway, so this is the mini curling wand. It's actually smaller than I thought it was. Well, I had a feeling it'd be like short, but I thought the barrel would be a lot rounder. This is so small, I can't see myself using it for anything but like maybe these baby hairs. So I'm glad I got to pick an item because the other two items were face care, like skincare. So I obviously would prefer this over that any day, but also, I don't know, this isn't my most favorited item ever. The next item in our box is this Hairgurt Almond Honey Hair Mask. And I forgot how much this one was. It was about $15, I think. Going to definitely try this out. My ends could use a little hair yogurt. Next up, we have some Kat Von D liquid liner. I've actually never had anything from Kat Von D before, so I'm a little excited to try this out. I have heard good things. Okay, it's a weirdly thick brush. Yeah, I feel like you would need to be very, very talented to use a brush that thick and like make straight lines with it, but whatever. The next item on our list is the Vintage by Jessica Lebenskid gloss, and we got such a pretty pink color. I'm so excited to try this one out. Very happy with this item. I believe the retail value of this was about $25, and that seems like high to me for lip gloss, but if it's a great lip gloss, then maybe not so bad. I definitely like the color. It's very shiny, very sparkly, feels very nice on the lip. And lastly, we have the most exciting item, the Living in Color palette by Hank and Henry. And I'm glad I got this. I was really hoping we would. I saw it was an option some people were getting. And also, when I saw this in other people's boxes, I could tell it was cardboard, and you guys know I hate cardboard, but when you open it up, it's actually got some girth to it. Like, it's a pretty thick palette, and yeah, it feels heavier in the hands than I was expecting. It's definitely a higher quality palette than I was expecting from seeing the photos. I think I'm going to gift this one to my cousin, so I'm not going to put my brushes in it or put it on my face, but I will go ahead and give you guys a couple quick swatches just to get an idea what this palette's all about. So we'll just go across the top. Perfect. You know what? Those look so good. Let's go ahead and swatch the rest. So I think we'll just go right to the next row. Alright, those ones didn't come out quite as deep as the shimmers, but I'm still loving the colors. There's not really any fallout on any of the colors, which is great. Okay, then we have the last three. What? Okay, super impressed with the shimmers. Those look so good, especially that green one at the end and that yellow. I love this palette. I think that was a great deal too. I forgot the exact prices of some of these, but I know the total of our box was about $140, which is actually a lot lower than most of the boxes that we've gotten. However, most of the boxes we've gotten until now have had a lot more skincare, and the skincare items, they'd always send us one that was worth like $130, but that was kind of useless to me. So I'm glad that we got so much makeup. I think everything in this box was super wonderful. I will get a lot of use out of all of these items, with the exception maybe of the hair curler, but I mean, it doesn't hurt to have an extra size barrel in the house for if I have a hair emergency or something. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope to see you again soon.